This is the test for the multiplayer triangles, so we have two clients again. We have the test client, which will be referred to as player 0, and player 1, which will be a pink colour, and player 0 will be the purple it always is. So test 106 is when only one player has selected to play the triangles multiplayer game. Test 107 is that two players are now joining, so the boards have loaded. Test 108 is the fact that player 0 here has a green indicator, so it indicates that it's time to go first. Test 109 is that the other player, player 1, who joined second, has a red indicator showing it will be going second. Test 110 is that the player 0 will place a horizontal line that will appear on both screens correctly in the correct colours. So there we have a purple and a pink. Test 111 is a forward diagonal for player 1. So we'll do that here. This is a forwards diagonal. And test 112 is a backwards diagonal for player 0. Now, test 114 is based on the indicators, and 115 is based on the indicators when a line is placed on player 0. So this should go from green to red, and this one from red to green. So I'll place a line, there we go, and then test 116 are the same but vice versa. So when player 1 places a line, for test 116 the indicator here should turn green, and for test 117 the indicator for player 1 should turn red. So we'll try that. Test 118 is when player 0 completes a normal triangle, which is here, and test 119 is, does the score increment by 1 on both screens? Yes, it does. And test 120 is the normal, sorry, not the normal, the upside down for player 0. So we'll try that. And here we should get an upside down, like so. Test 121 is now when player 1 gets a normal triangle. And test 122 is when they win an upside down triangle, so I'll set that up quickly here, like so. And test 123 is, does it increment by 1? And it has, because we've got two triangles, so the score will be 2, and that has happened on both. Test 124 is what happens when player 0 gets two triangles in one, so we'll set that up. Okay, so here, and test 125 is, has the score increased by 2? Yes, it has, and it's also done that here. Test 126 is a double for the player 1, so we'll set that up here. And here we go, it's got 2, and for test 127, the score has increased by 2 for both as well.